Just few moments ago, maybe a month or two, there were no rains, and all what you are seeing here was all brownish and whitish. But now what you can see is all green, everything just thriving well. There's a lot of life and a lot of birds screaming and making all kinds of noise. What a beauty that is brought by rains. And I don't know whether there have been any man who has been able to create rain in a whole nation. I know there are those who have done their research and they have come up with how the rain is formed, but I have not heard of anyone who has come up with a research that tell us how we can have rains when the drought hits us. This is the beauty of God created creation. It doesn't balance on its own. You can't say that all this beauty balance on its own. You can't say that all this comes by a certain kind of force that isn't known. This is the heart of God. This is the heart of God, brothers and sisters. And when you see this, it always remind you about God. When you see the green, just see God. When you see the beauty of what God has created, you need to give thanks unto God, for it is Him. Don't just be remembering God when it is brownish and whitish, when the air is dry, when there is no noise, no life. This is Githurai 45. I'm here with no authority. I'm on someone's rod. But I'm recording this short video just to remind you of remembering God when you are prospering. The Israelites always forgot God when they were at peace. They started doing their own things. They didn't care about what God had instructed them to do whenever they started to prosper. The same with us. Sometimes we forget about God when we start prospering, when we start enjoying what God has given us. We forget that all that comes from God, and we only remember God when we are suffering, when we are lacking, when we are in all those situationships. But let us remember God when we are also thriving, prospering, and enjoying the beauty of life. May God bless you. Bye-bye.